In each of our kids' rooms, there are these built-in wardrobes. So we're going to create brand new sliding barn doors to sit across this opening.
All you will need for this project is a sheet of MDF, some pine trim, a barn door track and rollers, and your own choice of paint. We're making 2 different designs.
You can customize them with unique patterns, finishes, and colors to suit your style. Once we were happy with the layout, we cut the MDF to the size of the doors.
The pine trim was cut to match the pattern we'd planned. We used 40mm wide trims. We glued and screwed the trim onto the MDF base.
To smooth everything out, we filled the screw holes and sanded down the edges. Once the surface was clean and dust-free, we applied a coat of Resene Quick Dry primer to prepare it for painting. One of the designs included mirrors. Adding 300 by 300mm mirrored panels gave the door a fun design feature.
We installed the barn door track and rollers. We made sure to source the right size track for our wardrobe, ensuring it fit perfectly, was level, and smoothly rolled. For one door, we used Resene Soul Searcher, and the second door, we used a base of Resene Secrets with accents of Resene Mellow Yellow, both in Resene Lustacryl. To finish it off, we added a handle for easy use.
And just like that, custom-built colourful barn doors.
It's a project that's fun and easy to customise for your own home.